Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix core web vitals of Wix website speed. So, is your Wix website failing Google's core web vitals test? Learn how to improve your Wix website speed, fix the layout shifts and reduce load time and optimize performance with this in 2025 step-by-step guide. So, first of all, navigate to pagespeed.web.dev. Navigate to this link and enter your Wix website URL in this section and note that your LCP, that is largest contentful paint, CLS, that is cumulative layout shift, and FID, that is first input delay, is scores. After this, scroll down to view the recommendations. So you can see here, if I paste it and analyze it, I will see the recommendations that this page is going to produce. Now, you can use JPG instead of PNG when possible. You can resize images before uploading because don't rely on Wix to scale them. Also, you can use Wix image optimization settings by navigating to image settings, choose optimized image quality, and you can use lazy loading for images enabled by default on Wix. Now, you can go to your Wix dashboard, navigate to apps and uninstall apps that you're not actively using. So avoid unnecessary hover animations and entrance effects because they increase layout shift, that is CLS. Now, if you're using custom Velo code, make sure it's optimized. Avoid set timeout delays or unnecessary DOM manipulation. Now, only load scripts needed for that specific page. Now, use only 1 to 2 font families. Avoid heavy font weights like 900 or bold italic, and don't overload a single page with too many images, text box or shapes. Clean up overlapping or hidden elements. Now, ensure that Wix Turbo is enabled by default. It improves performance by catching and preloading content. Consider using a lighter theme or removing parallax scrolls and video backgrounds. After applying changes, go back to Page Speed Insights and try testing on different pages like homepage, blog post and contact. Test your site again and you would have improved your core web vitals, and it will not just boost speed but also SEO and user experience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix cannot locate the internet server or proxy server on Wix. So in order to do this, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and restart your router or switch networks if needed. Also, try opening other websites to confirm if the issue is with Wix only or you're facing an internet outage or internet related problem. Now, if you're using Chrome, you can simply navigate to three-dotted icon in the top right, navigate to settings and navigate to privacy and security, then scroll down, choose third-party cookies. Choose delete browsing data. Here, you'll have to deselect everything and choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files and click on delete data. Then restart the browser, reopen wix.com and try again. It could instantly fix the problem. Now you can also go to settings, network and proxy or VPN and turn off any active proxies or VPN you're using. Proxies can interfere with Wix servers and trigger connection errors. Also, you can open command prompt by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard, type in CMD, hit enter. It will open up command prompt where you can type in ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter, and that will instantly fix the problem. Now, you can try accessing your Wix site on a different browser like Firefox or Safari, or use another device like your phone or tablet. This helps confirm whether the issue is browser or system related. You can also navigate to status.wix.com and to check if Wix is having outages. If Wix is down, wait until the servers are back up. You can also follow Wix Help on Twitter for updates. If none of the above work, go to a new tab, type in support.wix.com and it will take you to this page where you can easily scroll at the bottom and click on the Contact Us button. Now, they can check backend issues related to your account or region. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the cannot locate the internet server issues on Wix. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.